Hi friends, I am John Laspina, the Carnivore Teacher. Have you heard of the blood type diet? I have, and it was pretty interesting. And when I first heard about this diet, they suggest that people with certain blood types should eat or stay away from certain foods. I thought, okay, I'm O positive. That's my blood type. I'm O positive. Do you know your blood type? Is it important to know your blood type? I think it's important to know our blood type in case we're in an emergency or we want to donate blood. They know the answer right away. But should I stay away from certain foods because I'm O positive and some foods don't agree with my blood type? There is a whole book out there and there's a whole theory out there about blood type diets. And I'm here to tell you that's all a myth. It's all BS. We are all human beings, whether you're A negative, A positive, O negative, O positive, AB negative, whatever your blood, RH negative, they're really rare, whatever your blood type is, you're a human being. That blood type just tells you the specific proteins in your blood that are different from maybe some other people, but all the other parts of the blood are the same. There is no blood type diet. I eat the red blood type diet because my blood is red. And you should too. And so should every other human being. We should be eating the proper human diet. What is that? It is beef, lamb, pork, poultry, fish, eggs. Any ruminant animal and any other bird that I didn't mention that's food, and the eggs from those birds and hens. And cooking in animal fats is the healthiest, because they're saturated mostly. Animal fats don't go rancid very easily at all with light heat and time. So cook in butter and ghee and bacon. It's delicious. I save the fat that rises to the top of the mason jar in the refrigerator after I made a chicken. You know, the water kind of goes to the bottom, the fat solidifies. I scoop that delicious chicken schmaltz off and I use it the next day to cook my eggs or to fry my shrimp in. I mean, chicken fat, the flavor is in the fat, ladies and gentlemen, the healthy animal fats. Stay away from all the seed oils. Stay away from all the processed. The whole world uses seed oils, unfortunately, in restaurants and in grocery stores and processed food and fast food. And they're the worst oils in the world. We need to eat the foods, eat the fat that comes with the food naturally. And if we're adding fat, we're adding animal fat. We're not adding plant fats because they have plant sterols and they're unhealthy for the body. They really are. We are human animals. And we should be eating animal meat and animal fats to sustain and feed our animal body. I do believe in the blood type diet, the red blood type, because my blood is red. It is, and so is yours. So we should all be eating the red blood type diet food, which is the proper human diet. Have a great day, everybody.